Every trader will face this at some point, a losing streak. And here's the truth. It's not the losing streak that destroys most traders. It's how they choose to recover from it. Most new traders, they double down, they chase, they try to make it all back. But that's what leads to blown accounts. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to handle a losing streak, how to survive them, how to learn from them, and actually come out stronger on the other side. Because the key isn't avoiding losing streaks, it's about how to navigate them without losing your discipline, your money, and your confidence. First, let's normalize this. Losing streaks, they happen to everyone. Sometimes it's just due to probability. Even if your strategy has an edge, there will be sequences where losers start to cluster and add up. It doesn't mean your system is broken. It just means that variance is doing what variance does. Now, sometimes it's us. You can be overconfident after you've had a hot run, because I've been there before, thinking you can't lose a trade. Or you could just start revenge trading after a couple losses. You can't let emotions creep in, and then you'll start pressing trades that aren't even really a part of your process. And I'm gonna be real with you, because I've been there. I remember a week where I was stacking up losses back to back to back. And instead of taking a moment, taking a second to breathe and step away, I doubled down and learned from me, because all I did was dig the hole deeper. Here's the mindset that I used that changed everything for me. Your losses are data. They're not your identity. They're not who you are. This is information for you to use for you to get better in the long run. A losing streak doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It means the market didn't fit the conditions of which you outlined for your setup. Or maybe your execution slipped, and that's it. Your job isn't to win every trade. It's to survive every single streak, whether that's a winning streak or a losing streak. Because if you survive, you can give yourself another chance at hitting all those winners. So detach your ego from the outcome, because winners don't avoid losses, they manage them. Okay, so what do you really do when you're in the middle of a streak? Cut size. Even if you risk 1%, cut that in half. Smaller trades will protect your account as well as your psychology. Trade less. Don't force it, because one high quality trade is better than 10 random ones. Take a break. Step away from the screens. Go take a walk. Do anything except look at charts. You'll find that clarity comes when you're able to give yourself space from everything. Journal. This is where my edge came in. Write down every losing trade. What was the setup? What was your execution? Your journal will provide you with answers when your emotion can't. Okay, so when you've slowed down and you've gathered enough data, it's time to rebuild. Go back to the basics, paper trade. Take tiny size until you find yourself back into that rhythm. Then review your strategy. Is your edge still there? Or were you trading outside of your plan? Often the strategy is completely fine. It's us who start to slip. So the fix here is discipline. It's not a brand new system. So set small goals, not I want to make $500 this week, but things like I'm going to follow my plan on every single trade this week, no matter what. Things like I'm going to stop after I have 2 losers. Start to build those wins in your process and not just in your P&L. I want to provide you with some sort of guidelines to preventing you from spiraling when you get into a losing streak. The best way to survive a losing streak is to put in some guardrails before they even happen. Have a daily stop loss. When you hit it, you're done. No ifs, ands, or buts. You're done. Use a weekly max drawdown, so one bad week doesn't ruin your entire month. Also, build a pre-trade checklist. So if the trade doesn't match the criteria, you don't take the trade. And the most important thing is accountability. Share your trading plan with your trading community, or just in your journal. It's harder to spiral when you have some sort of structure holding you up. And I have to tell you, losing streaks are not the end of your trading career. They are a part of it. The difference between traders who quit and the traders who succeed is all about how they handle losses. So next time you're in a losing streak, just remember, cut size, slow down, take a break, review, and then you can rebuild. That's how you keep your account as well as your mindset intact. And listen, I want to hear from you guys. If you're in a streak right now, drop it down in the comments. Let's get through it together, because the process is what's going to get you through the pain, and the profits come after. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. That really helps the channel out. That really helps me out here. And you can push this content to more traders who are struggling with the same things that you're struggling with, and we can all help each other out. Focus on the process so you can get to them profits.